Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a hablar sobre pronombres después de preposiciones. Pronouns after prepositions. So what are some prepositions? In Spanish, they are de, entre, hasta, hacia, según, sin. So some in English are of, between, in, on, at, right? So we're talking about right now when we're saying between you and me, that you, that me. So, because the pronouns that we use, they are gonna change. They're not gonna be always the same. Yo, tú, él. Okay. After prepositions, our pronouns are gonna change to this. I have the Spanish word and the English equivalent. Okay. Entonces, vamos a ver. So, if our preposition was para, preposición para mí, para ti, para usted, para él, para ella, para nosotros, para ustedes, para ellos, para ellas. So, para means to. Let's use just like when you're giving a present from and to. So, para is to, and from is de. De. De, it's gonna work is again the same way. De mí, de ti, de usted, de él, de ella, de nosotros. So every time we have these prepositions, they're gonna be followed by these pronouns. Notice it's not de yo. It's not from I. It's from me, right? That's how you say it in English, from me. I is gonna change to me. Well, the same thing happens in Spanish. From, de mí, de ti. It's not tú, it's ti. The other ones are just the same. And remember, we have you in the familiar form, which is tú, which after a preposition is ti. Usted, you in the formal form, which remains usted. Okay? The plural form of usted, ustedes. Like we have learned until now, every rule has its exception. So when we have the preposition con, do you guys remember what con is? With. So, do you want to go with me? ¿Quieres venir con usted, con él, con ella, con nosotros, con nosotras, con ustedes, con ellos, con ellas? It works from usted down, it's just gonna be the same. However, if you want to say with me, there is the exception of the rule. We're gonna use conmigo, one word. With you, familiar form, contigo, one word. And that happens with preposition con. Only you and me are gonna change. Conmigo a contigo. We have other exception of the rule, which is with the preposition entre. Entre. Between. Again, if we're saying something is between he and she, entre él y ella. It's in between us, entre nosotros. Between you, plural, entre ustedes, entre ellos, entre ellas. But if we want to say between me and you, we're going to say entre tú y yo. Okay? So those are the only exceptions of the rule when it comes to prepositions. Remember that we have very, very many prepositions, and for now, we are only going to focus on these exceptions of the rule. Conmigo, contigo, which is a very big one. Entre tú y yo. Other than that, we're going to use me, ti, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas. Ok, chicos. Espero que no tengan preguntas. Hope you don't have questions. Pero si tienen preguntas, por favor, escríbanlas en el tablero de discusión. Si tienen preguntas, escríbanlas en el tablero de preguntas. Gracias. Chao.